Good morning guys! Ang lamig na naman today. Nag 1 degree yata kagabi or nag-negative 1. Tignan nga natin. So nag-0 pala kagabi. Pinakamalamig. And then parang mag-chansa ng snow today. So excited naman. Kaso gabi. So today guys, pupunta kami sa health center dahil vaccine ng aming baby. So mag-breakfast muna ako. Mag-cereals na lang siguro ako. Ano kayong cereal ni Mr.? Yun lang. Tsaka banana. Wala kaming bread. Gusto ko sana bread. And then, nagpapawis ang aming mga bintana. Pati ang aming pinto. So, sobrang lamig. Pati yung car at van. Lumabas na kasi si Mr. kanina. Nagpaalay ng kotse. May frost yung kotse at saka yung van. So, ganun kalamig kagabi. Pero sa kwarto kasi namin guys is minsan mapanas. Parang 22 degree. Kaya hindi ganun ramdam. So, mag-cereals ako. Ayun. Nahulog na papel. Lagyan natin ng banana yung aking cereals. Nanonood si baby tsaka si Mr. ng Teletubbies. May Teletubbies pa rin sila dito. Relate yung mga batang 90s dyan. Yan ang ating cartoons. It's finished. I'm gonna finish this.
Have you seen that? You get it?
Yeah.
You can throw it away now. Because there's nothing we can do about it. We're just going to get the don't.
Hello.
But it might be a
Yeah. Noisy.
depending on which one they use. Hello. You're still sleepy. Oh, Mama's eating my banana.
It's not your banana. Your banana is still there intact.
Okay, Mama's not eating my banana. She's eating a banana.
Smells so good. What is that? Finish the Teletubbies. Huh? She likes Teletubbies.
You watched before?
Yeah. Is it okay now? I'm gonna cook some rice now. It smells of sausage, isn't it?
There's a sausage, she says. Sausage. They're not turning over after this finishes.
I'll do it then. Saing na ako. Saing tayo guys. Dahil si Mr. ay nagsalang ng pork. Hello? She's not happy. Let her finish her milk so it won't spoil it. Ano ko si Mr. na pilit ko guys, si Mr. na ipadedi sa aming baby ang milk. Lagi ipaubos kasi ayoko siyang mag-milk ng malamig. Kasi nga dito mabilis lumamig yung mga liquid like water, ganyan. Naiyak ko ng baby. Baliktarin natin guys ang aming pork na nakasala dito sa air fryer. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Amoy siya. Sausage. Anong nakalagay na flavor dito ay Mexican. Another 20 minutes. Luto na ang aming pork, guys. Kaya ilalagay na natin siya sa plates. Then magre-ready na ako ng food. Ayan. So, ayan na. Maganda na may pagkakaluto. Nakalimutan ko na namang mag-mic. Mag-slice kami ng beetroot. And then, lettuce. A little lettuce. Parang gusto ko na din slicein to. Pero mamaya na lang. So, magtutuwag na din kasi guys. Kaya kailangan na i-prepare itong lunch. Sabi ko kay Mister, mag-slice ako nitong beetroot at saka ng lettuce. Ito, para meron kaming vegetables. Kahit pa paano. So, Yak, aming baby. Naandap na lang. Guys, masarap to kasi. And then, ilang dahon lang ng lettuce. Siguro na talaga siya. Si Mr. Rice Eater na din siya ngayon. Kain na tayo guys. Dadalhin ko na to sa dining table. Ang sarap.
Save so many lives. So Rachel, without her, this wouldn't have really happened, would it?
No, no. When I got married and our first child was a girl, I called this first daughter Rachel Leah.
Oh,
I'd like to give it to the younger Rachel Leah to remind her and tell her children this is the person I was named after.
amazing. An incredible history to this beautiful window. What do you reckon? I mean, what's your expectation?
I suppose to revive the lettering so that the lettering can be read and to
Okay. Alright, we're ready. We're going to for your vaccine. Lamig. I think it's 5 degrees now but still cold. Dito na kami guys. You good? You hungry? So, sasaglit lang din pala kami guys sa Aldi para lang sa ibang mga kailangan at saka napis. Kailangan niya kasi ng napis. Meron pa naman sa bahay pero kasi baka hindi na kumasya. Eh, may pasok na si Mister. So, bali ang off na kasi niya ay sa Saturday. So, sabi ko sa kanya, alam ko kasya yung diaper. Ang tabig. Can we get some lemon? To getting moods. What pork?
Do you want to see me before?
I think so. With a bit of bones.
One of each?
Yeah?
School assistance required at 2.
Poinsettia. What's that?
Miniatures and tomato pizzas and mini pepperoni ones. It's finger food, party food.
Spring roll.
Duck,
Yeah. Do you eat duck?
pigs in blanket.
You can try that. You get what you're getting? Are you gonna get one?
You want to try?
Okay. Ito yung masarap, guys. Garlic pizza. One?
No, not today. You do get two.
Ang cute ng Christmas decor nila, guys. Oh. Naupo. Ang bigat. Ito reindeer. Ang cute. Para siyang pandesal. It look like pandesal.
Don't forget the nappies.
Yeah.
Everything.
Think so. Mig. It's so cold. Mig. It's so cold. Ay, sobrang lamig, guys. Talaga mangangatal ka na naman talaga. Ang baby namin ay tulog pa. Nag-worry ako kasi pinainom ko siya ng Calpol ngayon bago kami dito pumunta ng Aldi. Kaso, parang binugan niya lang. So, hindi ko na ulit siya papainumin. Mamaya na lang ulit after 4 hours. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mga 6. We're home, guys. And ang lamig sa labas, grabe. Parang magkakasnow nga daw mamaya, sabi ni Mr. Kasi yung langit ay puting-puti. Isa daw yun sa mga sign pag magkakasnow. So, ayusin ko lang. Namili kami lang konti sa Aldi lang. Konting-konti lang yun. Yeah. There. Lamig. Come here and bigat. Tingnan natin tong batang to dito sa kusina. Pumili pala si Mr. ng tinapay sa Co-op. Pagbili niya din ng Calpol. So ngayon lang ulit kami nakabili ng chocolate. Para sa aking collections. And ano ba to? Pigs in blanket. Marinated pork. Oh, look at your marinated pork.
Hmm?
It's open.
No, it wasn't.
I mean
It's
now.
gone in the car.
Okay. Ah. Try kami nitong bread na ito. Kung maganda. Ang lamig ng pagkain. Galing sa kotse. Tinapay, nilamig na rin. Arinig mo ba? Hindi mo naman ako rin. Are we gonna have this for dinner? The pizza?
If you want one of those, yeah.
One.
Try one of those.
Ang sakit ng ulo ko. I think I got a brain freeze. Ang lamig kasi sa labas. Is it nice? Sealed. I can smell the ginger. Stem ginger cookies. So, konti lang naman guys yung pinamili namin sa Aldi. So, ito lang. Ano ba ito? Pig and blankets. Naalala ko dito yung ano nga ba yun? Yung pinanood namin. Jack and the Giant Slayer. Ganito yung gagawin dun sa mga tao nung giant. Wala, naalala ko lang. So, ayan, mag-cook kami ng chicken, thigh part ulit. Para may buto. And then, dalawang pork marinated. Dalagyan namin sa freezer yan. Lasang ginger naman itong pinatry ni Mister. Tapos, dalawang garlic pizza. Or garlic bread. Nappies. Dalawa din. And then, biscuit. Apple. Tsaka, lemon. Maglalagay ako ulit ng lemon naman sa ulo. Dinadandruff ako guys pag sobrang lamig na. Ano bang gamot sa dandruff? Ano bang ginagamit nyo? Kasi dito, pag winter, ang kati ng ulo ko.
You like those?
No.
No?
I don't like ginger on the bread. Oh. Masarap. Paglalagay na natin ito ng mga kailangan i-freeze. Lagyan na natin to guys. Sikip. Si Mr. paglalagayin ko, ang sikip. Can you arrange this in the freezer? Mister? Ang bigat ng batang ito. Ang bigat ng car seat. Tago ko na ang aking niwagang collection. Mister? Yeah, can you put this in the freezer?
Yeah.
She can go down outside now because I'm gonna open the door. Lagyan natin ito muna dito. Is this going to the fridge? The fridge to first. Itong lemon. Patakap sa ulo. Kati ng ulo ko. Ay, ano bang gamot nyo sa dandruff, guys? Kawawa ang baby. Tinurukan. Tinurukan ito. Umiyak siya eh. Hello? Tinurukan. Tinurukan. Painumin ko ulit siya ng Calpol ng 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 p.m. Hello? Hello? Face to them. Dali. Ang bigat ng aming bebe. Pero usog. Ang ingay guys. Ang ingay. Ingay ni Mr. Dun, dun, dun. The Thai part of the chicken, I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc. I think I'm gonna do it on by 2. Or, pero kung ilang piraso ito. Dun, dun, dun. You're sleeping? No, she's not sleeping. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Oh, this one, I'm gonna do this, the chicken. Or you do that? For our Ziploc. Parang hindi naman kasya dyan. 4 each. Oh, mister, can you do this chicken, please? I can do it with the little one.
What? How much is that? 4?
4 each. It's 8 pieces.